Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to Shopify, how to create and post articles on your Shopify store. This is a great way to share updates, improve your store's SEO, and build trust with your customers through helpful content. So it's very easy, of course. You need to be actually logged in. Make sure you are logged in and you are in your Shopify admin dashboard, because everything we're about to do happens directly inside your Shopify admin. Once you are here, look towards your left-hand side. This is going to be where your main menu is at, and this is where you manage all your store content. What you want to do is click on Content. There's going to be a drop-down, so it's going to be the last option that says Blog Posts, right? This is where Shopify stores all of your articles. So click on Blog Posts like so. You will be brought to the blog post screen here. It's either you've already made one, but as of this video, you're probably looking how to do so you probably don't have anything here yet. And that's totally fine. This page will simply be empty until you publish your first blog post. So once you're here, all you need to do is click on Create Blog Post. It's the black bar here, so it's pretty hard to miss. So Create Blog Post, and it's going to bring you to this page where you'll actually start building your article. If you've done blogging before, it's very simple. It's the same thing. All you need to do is add the title, right? So insert the title here. Make sure that it is appealing, it is enticing, it is eye-catching, because this is what people will see first in search results and on your blog page. A strong title can help get more clicks and keep readers interested. And then, just add the copy here, so just add there. This is where you write the main content of your blog post. It's pretty much the same way with Microsoft Word, so it should feel very familiar. You can make it bold, you can make italicize, you can actually make a underline depending on what you need to emphasize on your article, like important points, headings, or key takeaways for your readers. And once that's done, you can actually add images, right? Images help make your blog more engaging and easier to read. If you want to add, like for example, you want to blog about denims, right? Then denim is in season. You want to add images that you took with your photographer, with your models, for example, wearing denim jeans or denim outfits. This helps showcase your products visually and keeps people on your page longer. You can add it here directly into the post. After that, you can actually change the author name here, right? This is useful if you want posts to appear under a brand name, your personal name, or a team member's name. You can change the author name, whoever it is. After that you can also change the blog, type. So from news, actions, or other niche or other categories that you have. This helps organize your content and makes it easier for visitors to browse different topics. And you can also add tags here to make sure it's streamlined and SEO optimized within your store. Tags help Shopify understand what your blog post is about and can improve internal organization and search visibility. And after that, all you need to do is click on Save here on top, and you will be good to go. Your blog post will now be live or saved, depending on your settings. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon so you don't miss future Shopify tutorials. We'll see you on the next video.